Hi everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how you can create a stunning website within just few minutes using AI technology. So we have 10 web here. To start creating your website, just scroll down to this video and click on the description link or on the pinned comment link. After clicking, you will come over to this page where you can create your website, your dream website, in just few clicks. You can create any types of websites, whatever your business is, any types of website using ChatGPT, using AI. This is a 10 web, which is an AI that will create your website. So you need to just put the description of your website, create longer description to get your desired website perfectly. So I just put here one line simple prompt, but you can elaborate the prompt and click generate. Now put a website name. You can put a website name here. You can see some pages are automatically created by the AI, and those are the page contents. You can edit those contents and change the prompt. You can just simply write the prompt that how you want the title or how you want these sections, and you can also edit these prompts. You can change the pages and prompts for these pages, and then just click next. Then you can select the theme colors, your brand colors. There are multiple colors here, so choose any of the color. And you can also change the font family. Choose any of the font family that suits your business, and then here you can select the styles also. There are multiple styles, so choose any of the style and click generate. And now you need to just sign up with your Google account. The AI is now creating your website. Just wait few seconds. Congratulations, your website has been created by AI. You can just edit the website now. So this is the website created by the AI, and you can just preview the website and add your content, edit the contents, and you can use the 7 days free trial pro of this 10 web. Let's check out all the pages. You can add images here. The images are missing. You can add your own image. There are some AI generated images here. You can create your own image and put your own image here. And the contact page, you can put your own contact information here. So the website is very beautiful, created by AI in just few minutes. So you don't need to hire any web developer to create your own website. You just create your own website by yourself using this AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help creating your website or in any other aspect, just comment down on this video. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.